Thanks, Enrique. Like Enrique and Alex mentioned, in just a few years, Deel has redefined how companies are building global workforces. Along the way, as we help thousands of organizations hire, manage, and pay anyone, anywhere, we also help thousands of founders and employees at some of the world's best technology companies to move to new countries, to new opportunities, to where their work needed them to be. Mobility, however, remains highly fragmented and disconnected for many organizations. If you're an HR or mobility team, you're probably dealing with multiple countries with complex immigration rules, spreadsheets and legacy tools, and dozens of external providers with fragmented processes. These are teams in modern companies, data-driven, AI-enabled, yet when it comes to move talent across borders, everything slows down. The technology is not designed to scale. Services are scattered and not built for speed. The cost is real. More risk, more admin, more confusion, and more delays. That's why we decided it's time to tackle these challenges and apply the same principles that made Deel a leader in global hiring, payroll, and HR, and apply them to global mobility. Today, we are proud to announce the future of global work with Deel Mobility. Deel Mobility is your new system of record for all of your immigration cases, combining real-time visibility with built-in compliance. With Deel Mobility, you'll be able to initiate services in-platform like short-term business travel, permanent relocation, or right-to-work checks, and get support from mobility experts that will help you secure visas and move talent in record time in over 100 countries, all in one platform. Let's see how it looks in practice. Start by bringing your existing non-national workforce into Deel. You can connect your HRIS or bulk upload to Consolidate. Cases started elsewhere, cases managed by multiple external vendors, and cases you already ran with Deel. Suddenly, everything lives in one place, fully connected to the Deel platform. Once your workforce is in, Deel Mobility becomes your control center. You can now track and manage every case, business travel, work permits, and permanent visas, and monitor case progress, expiration dates, and renewal windows. And because Deel Mobility connects directly to your HRIS, updates flow automatically. No more manual syncing, no more stale data. Now let's see what starting a new case looks like. Use our AI-powered eligibility tools to understand visa options up front. Add a few details like worker info, destination, visa types, and get guided recommendations. You can then create a case in-app in just a few clicks. And if you need support, you can quickly sync with an expert directly in-app or schedule a call. Deel Mobility makes compliance proactive. With real-time access to your workforce updates and regulatory updates, Deel Mobility will proactively send alerts on immigration law updates that affect your workforce, changes in contracts and employment that requires updates, and renewal reminders, and even runs continuous right-to-work checks automatically. So you will never miss a compliance update ever again. And when it comes to action these updates, you can just choose how much you want to be involved. You can manage cases and updates yourself, work with preferred vendors, or let Deel experts fully own the execution of your mobility program. Same platform, same visibility, fully managed execution. With more than 100 mobility experts powered by AI engines, Deel can support teams of all sizes to manage one or thousands of immigration cases and business visas in more than 100 countries. With Deel Mobility, companies don't just move people. They gain clarity. They reduce risk. They move faster. Immigration becomes predictable, trackable, compliant by design, and fully integrated into how global teams operate. This is mobility at Deel speed. Next up, I'm excited to bring up Aaron, who's going to talk about the changes we've been making on the Deal worker experience.